back, or welcome to Cooking with Steve, making homemade fish and chips with tartar sauce. Alright, now we've already made the chips, we've already made the tartar sauce. Now it's time to deal with the fish. Okay, so these are come frozen tilapia from Costco. They're very good quality. I'm very happy with them. They're not the easiest things to get out of the packaging though. You know, you don't want to cut the fillet unnecessarily, but you want to get it out of the plastic. And there she is, or there it is. Sorry. All right. Now I'm gonna just cut this in half at a nice little angle, like so. 1, 2, and now I'm putting them on a paper towel. On the paper towel at the end of my cutting board, because you want them to be as dry as possible when you dredge them through the flour, putting them in the beer batter. Alright, and we're just going to continue to do that with the rest of these fillets. Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Steve. From now, we're going to make our fish. And first, I'm going to prepare my flour for the dredge. Alright, first things first, in a big bowl I'm going to put a little bit of ice in there with some water. This is because through personal experience as well as various research via YouTube, I found a lot of chefs using this method or a similar method to keeping the flour cool, because when you keep the flour cold, it actually makes for crispier results on the fish. So we're going to go ahead and season our flour. We're going to use some basic salt and pepper. Just so that flavor comes through. Cracked pepper. White pepper. Onion powder. Can you guess what's next? Garlic powder. Love my garlic powder. And finally, some MSG. Because ooh-wee, it's good. Also, I'm going to use a little herbs of Providence in there, because those types of herbs tend to go really good with fish. Okay, let me get my trusty whisk, my little whisk out. Yes, so cute. And we're just gonna mix this together. Until it's completely combined. Okay. Now we're just going to leave this sitting in the cold ice bath to keep it cool. The beer batter. Yeah, the best part. Alright, so now it's time to make our beer batter. In a bowl, you want to put about a cup and a half to 2 cups of flour. It doesn't have to be exactly measured. And just be aware that you may have to add more. Okay? We're going to use 1 egg. A lot of eggs today. I saw a thing on YouTube, Gordon Ramsay was saying, always crack an egg on the flat surface. Otherwise, the egg can get into the bowl. I found I just did it on a flat surface and I almost busted the egg so badly it almost went in the bowl, but it didn't, thank God. Okay, next we're going to season. Salt and pepper. Again, you can be a bit generous because it does take a lot to season flour. Cracked pepper to taste. I like black pepper, as you can see, so I tend to use a lot of it. Again, with the garlic powder. Again with the onion salt, or onion powder, sorry. And again with the MSG. Just 1 shake. All right, and now the superstar of the whole deal, the beer. This beer is a local Japanese craft beer. And it's from Kotobuki. It's called Kotobuki Brewing. It's made here in Osaka. And Kuninocho beer is what it's called. And it's an ale. Kolsch. So hopefully it's good. I've not really tried it, but I've heard good things about it. And Japanese beers, whether they are major brands or not, tend to be very good. Again, with the whisk, in you go. Make sure to combine everything completely. Oh, almost forgot the magic ingredient. Again, several top chefs have recommended a shot of vodka in your batter, and I found it is a good idea. It really makes the alcohol content is high, so it really makes the batter burn faster and makes it crispier. Even crispier. Just want to whisk everything together. Keeping an eye on your consistency. This is a little bit too loose, okay? So I think I'm gonna need to add some more flour. Not too much. You know, you can always add more. You can't always take it out. Just put in. Okay. You just add a little at a time. If it's not thick enough again, add a little bit more until it's the right consistency that you want. And here, that's a lot thicker. And this is about perfect consistency. Because you want it to stick, but you don't want it to stick too much. Okay? Alright, we're ready to start cooking. Now I'm going to take the towel off of the fish, and just one at a time, or a couple at a time, about 2, 3, just mix them through the flour, the cool flour. Yeah, it's pretty cool now. Shake off any extra coating. Nothing worse than globby. And slip it into the beer batter. Again, shake off any extra into the beer batter. Shake off any extra into the beer batter. Fish were harmed, but naturally so. All right, drip, 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 drip. Let the excess fall off, and drop into the oil. And once more. And we have one more. Okay. We're going to do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3. Maybe we'll go 4 this time. It's okay to sing in the kitchen. I like to have music on. It relaxes me. Use your brain, kid. Use your brain. All right, now make sure to keep rotating. You don't want them to get overdone on one side and not done enough on another. I prepared a pan that I'm going to set them in the oven. I'm just going to set it basically at 100, mainly to keep them warm while I cook the fries or the chips. And that looks to be about done. Okay, so we're just gonna take these beautiful things out. This is the color consistency you're looking for. Nice. Nice. All right, welcome back. The cook is over, and here is the final result. Look at that plate of food. Any way you look at it, beautiful. Now, of course, for the all-important taste test. Okay, the all-important taste test. Let's see how we did. Still pretty crispy. Nice and coated evenly. Put a little bit of that tartar sauce on there. Mmm. Fish cooked to perfection. The batter is light, crispy. Thumbs up. From my kitchen to yours. I hope you enjoyed that cook. And until next time, eat good, eat well, and take care of each other. Here's to you. Until next time. As usual, thank you for watching our video today. And if you like what you saw, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a great meal or three today. Have a good one.